So today I'm going to be making a tote. It is 100% cotton, and I'm going to be doing sublimation using my sawgrass printer. So first, all you do is pick your design. I uploaded it, and I used one of the blank products on here to try to design it. So to kind of size it. So I did this. Then all you do is you hit print. So all you would do is you hit print. No, I'm not going to actually print another one because I've already printed it. But you hit print. So when you do that, all you do is check and make sure everything is right on there. Select the right materials, paper, and all that stuff. And then I do vivid. And then you want to do paper size, US letter, depending on what paper size you're using. Then you print. And after you do that, that's when your print manager is going to come up. Okay, so when this print pops up, it's saying down here that one of the jobs isn't fitting the current layout settings. So I just go to the job. I'm just gonna change the size to fit the actual paper size, which is 8.5 by 11 inches. So you can do that, and then after that, you're good to just make sure your layout's right, however you want everything set up, materials, whatever, and make sure it's mirrored. Make sure you have your mirrored on for sublimation. Then you would print. I've already printed, so there we go. Alright, so next I have my bag. It has already a piece of butcher paper inside, and we'll have a piece that we'll use on the outside. But before we do that, so in this little bottle I have the Poly T Plus for sublimating on cotton. What it is you use 1/3 with water, 2/3 of it. 1/3 of this Poly T and 2/3 of water. So what I'll do is I'll just kind of spray the spot I'm going to be putting the image in. Kind of get a good coat on there. And then I'll use my Teflon sheet. Okay, my Teflon sheet. Alright, and you should see a little seam. Okay, a little stain coming. So what I did was tape my image in place with some heat resistant tape, and then I will put my butcher paper down. So yes, this is the finished product. If you guys know of like what I should do to kind of keep it from turning brown, like is the temperature too hot, or like what is it? So if you do, please comment below, let me know. Otherwise I'll just keep playing until I figure it out. As always, peace. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.